going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be working back on the Nova. In the last video you saw us kind of cleaning up and getting ready to install the floor pan, and that's exactly what we're going to continue with today. We got a little bit left to clean up on both sides. Alex is also going to start taking measurements for the toe boards that we have to patch so that he can get that metal bent at school. And other than that, guys, we're going to try and get some welding done today. So if everything goes smoothly, we're going to at least patch the passenger side, because the driver's side's a little bit more tricky with the pedals in the way. We're going to possibly try and remove those depending on how easy that would be. But for now, guys, let's hop in there, get to work and clean up the side rails, and then go from there. Guys, we're moving right along with this Nova build. We got everything cleaned up yesterday, and Alex went ahead and took his measurements, and then we also cut out the sections that he's going to be patching today. That went pretty smoothly, and the metal that he was able to bend for us at school looks pretty good, and matches pretty well against the remaining section of the floor up here that the new floor pan will sit on. So that's really why we got to focus on getting these toe boards fixed first. And then once this is all patched up here, we'll probably get to test fitting. And if we don't do that in this video, then that will for sure be where we start in the next video. Just depending on how time works out, because I got a couple things going on this week, and then so does Alex as well. So if we don't get it done today, then it will probably be for next week. So, but anyways, Alex is gonna hop in here. He's gonna start grinding down these sections that he cut out so that he can weld to it, and then we'll get these new toe boards patched in. Alrighty, guys, Alex got this all grinded down and templated up, and looking good. Good job, Alex. And now we're gonna go ahead and get this tacked in here and move on to the other side. Alrighty, guys, it is the next day, and we kind of wrapped things up a little early last night because we Alex was pretty tired with welding because that's what he did basically all day. But we also had hit the gym, so we went ahead and got the passenger side all nice and done. It's looking really good. We just got to go back through and clean up the welds and just kind of make it a little bit more prettier basically. But that's something we could do later on after we get the driver's side done. And speaking of driver's side, we did not get the driver's side done because we either are going to remove the pedals to make it a little easier, or we talked about potentially welding it from the firewall side of the engine bay, because I'm going to have to replace those little like subframe mounting sheets, whatever it is. I don't know exactly what they're called, but no, I found them on eBay and I can order them for about 140 bucks, which I'm gonna do anyways because both of those are pretty rotted. But basically that's gonna be it for today's video. We made some good progress in today's video. We got both side rails all cleaned up, and we even started welding in some new metal, so I'm pretty happy about that, guys. We're moving in the right direction, and like I said, our goal is to get this thing fully put back together by the end of the month. At least the body, not like fully assembled, but get the body all nice and welded back together, so that way we can start getting this moving towards being a roller before winter. But if you guys like today's video, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as it will really help me out and help make the channel bigger and better every day. And we also just passed 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much if you chose to hit that subscriber button and be a part of the channel and its growth. And I'm just couldn't be more happier, guys, and we got some big news coming up, so I hope you guys are excited for that. But for now, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Was money. That was money. That's a one take. Yeah. Give me a like. We're proud of Alex. Alex is here helping me out without pay at the moment, so you guys need to like and subscribe so that I can pay my mans here.